In this video, we'll explore the best Milwaukee drills, highlighting their features, performance, and unique benefits. Whether you're a professional or DIY enthusiast, these drills are built to tackle any project with ease and efficiency. The 2904-22 is Milwaukee's most powerful hammer drill, and it shows. Running on the M18 fuel platform, it delivers up to 1,400 nlbs of torque with a power-state brushless motor. At just 6.9 inches long, it's compact enough to squeeze into tight spaces without sacrificing performance. The auto-stop control mode adds a layer of safety by preventing over-rotation and bind-ups. Equipped with a 1/2-inch all-metal chuck, it provides excellent bit retention and durability. It also handles masonry work with ease thanks to its hammer drill mode. Milwaukee designed this drill to outclass the competition in speed and power, and it doesn't disappoint. Even under load, it keeps up with the toughest tasks. The Red Lithium XC 5.0 battery delivers long run times, so you stay productive. Whether you're drilling into concrete or driving fasteners into dense materials, this hammer drill is built to perform. You're not going to want to miss this one. Milwaukee delivers big with the M12 Fuel 1/2-inch hammer drill driver. This subcompact powerhouse packs 400 nlbs of torque into a frame just 5.9 inches long, making it the most compact drill in its class. Don't let the size fool you. This thing drills and drives faster under load than just about anything else in the subcompact category. The all-metal 1/2-inch chuck ensures a solid grip, while the mechanical clutch provides consistent torque for driving fastener. It's lightweight at just 2.6 pounds, making it easy to carry on a tool belt all day. And with Milwaukee's M12 Red Lithium battery system, you're getting some of the best runtimes in the game. All that plus top-tier durability makes this one of the most complete subcompact hammer drills on the market. Milwaukee keeps things compact and powerful with the M18 Compact 1/2-inch hammer drill driver. At just 5.8 inches long and 3.2 pounds with the battery, it's one of the smallest drills in its class. But don't let the size fool you. This drill delivers 550 inch-pounds of torque and spins up to 1,700 RPM, giving it plenty of power for concrete drilling and other demanding applications. The all-metal chuck and gear case add durability, making it tough enough for job site conditions. It's a little lighter on torque compared to some of Milwaukee's bigger models, but it's still more than enough for most drilling and driving tasks. Milwaukee's REDLINK Intelligent helps prevent overheating and extends battery life so you spend less time swapping packs. It comes with two M18 Red Lithium batteries, a charger, and a contractor bag, making it a solid pick for anyone who needs a compact yet capable hammer drill. If a full-size corded mud mixer is more than you need, Milwaukee's M18 Fuel Mud Mixer with a 180-degree handle might be the perfect fit. This cordless powerhouse delivers plenty of torque to mix heavy compounds like concrete and mortar, all while running on the M18 battery platform. The 8-speed setting dial, variable speed trigger, and lock-on button give you precise control over mixing speeds, making it easy to get a consistent batch every time. The adjustable 180-degree handle is a standout feature, offering 16 different positions to maximize comfort and control. Milwaukee claims you can mix up to 15 5-gallon buckets on a single 5.0 amp-hour battery, and in our experience, that estimate holds up. It's got the power and runtime to handle serious jobs while eliminating the hassle of extension cords. If you want a compact, job site-ready solution for mixing, this one's tough to beat.